One's destination is never a place but a new way of experiencing life. A warm greetings to everyone present here. Travel to explore, travel to know, travel to learn. Happy World Tourism Day. Since 1980, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has celebrated World Tourism Day as international observances on September 27th. This date was chosen as on that day in 1970. The statutes of the UNWTO were adopted. The adoption of these statutes is considered a milestone in global tourism. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness on the role of tourism within the international community and to demonstrate how it affects social, cultural, political, and economic values worldwide. The theme of the day was Sustainable Tourism in 2017. In 2018, the theme was Tourism and the Digital Transformation. In 2019, the theme was Tourism and Jobs, a Better Future for All. In 2020, the theme was Tourism and Rural Development. World Tourism Day 2021 highlights the power of tourism for inclusive growth. By celebrating this day, we state our commitment that as tourism grows, the benefits that come will be felt at every level of a broad and diverse sector, from the biggest airline to the smallest family. They are breathtaking, they are eye-opening, they are jaw-dropping. So let's check out the 10 most beautiful places in the world. Number 10, Palawan Island. Palawan Island is the largest island in Palawan province in western Philippines. It is famous for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters, coral reef, and splendid limestone rock formation. It has been voted the world's most beautiful island more than once. This cartoonily colorful hidden gem is accessible by plane or boat, and it is home to unique wildlife including the Philippine mouse deer and purple crabs. Number 9, Seljalands Falls. Seljalands Falls waterfall is a beautiful waterfall located in the south coast of Iceland. This spectacular natural wonder drops around 60 meters into a tranquil pool below. The speciality of this Seljalands Falls waterfall is people can walk behind it to view it from a complete 360-degree angle. Number 8, Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is Croatia's largest national park, covering almost 30,000 acres. The waters flowing over have created natural dams, which in turn have created a series of beautiful lakes, caves, and waterfalls. The forests in the park are home to bears, wolves, and many other rare bird species. Number 7, Algarve Bengal. Algarve Bengal is a beautiful cave located on Portugal's southern coast. This seaside gem was once a fishing base region. It's best accessed by water, by kayak boat or swimming. This natural grotto has its rocky walls, silky sand, and withered skylight for its spectacular view. Number 6, the Cliffs of Moher. Dismantled during the Napoleonic War, they are located on the west coast of Ireland. The cliff stretch for 8 kilometers, that is 5 miles, and reach 214 meters, which is 702 feet in height. It is a hotspot for a wide range of flora and fauna with more than 20 different species of birds to be seen. Number 5, the Great Barrier Reef and Whitehaven Beach. It is the world's largest structure made by living organisms. Great Barrier Reef was constructed by corals and it's a home to diverse aquatic species from whales, dolphin, clownfish, and 9 kinds of seahorses. The nearby Whitehaven Beach is considered as one of the planet's most beautiful and eco-friendly beaches. Number 4. Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon, known to the Navajo as a place where water runs through rocks, is more majestic than its name. Here, the canyon walls are only part of the attraction. The rest is sunlight sneaking its way through the canyon and creating the appearance of fire. Summer is the best time to visit this place. Number 3. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls are the waterfalls of the Iguazu River on the border of Argentine province and the Brazilian state of Paraná. Together, they make up the largest waterfall in the world. It is effectively a chain of mini waterfalls. The lion's share of the river passes over a U-shaped chasm known as Devil's Throat. Number 2. Moraine Lake. Moraine Lake is a glacially fed lake in Banff National Park, 14 kilometers outside the village of Lake Louise in Canada. It is a popular natural attraction site in the Canadian Rockies because of its beauty and activities. Before we unveil our number 1 pick, here are some honorable mentions. Number 1. Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni, amid the Andes in southwest Bolivia, is the world's largest salt flat. It is a legacy of a prehistoric lake that went dry, leaving behind a desert-like nearly 11,000 square kilometer landscape of bright white salt, rock formations and cacti-studded islands. Though wildlife is rare in this unique ecosystem, it harbors many pink flamingos. Thank you, everyone.